Today we're going to talk about what happens to the food you eat. What happens to my food? Here there is a flow chart that shows a person and their esophagus, and this is their stomach and all their intestines. The flow of food through the human digestive system starts with the mouth, which is here, to the esophagus, which is your throat, to the stomach, which is this bean-shaped thing here, to the small intestine, which looks like a little noodle, to the large intestine, which is this bigger one, all the way out of the rectum, which is your butt or your bottom. Now we can watch a short video that shows a better picture of the digestive system.
So here you can see whole digestive system. Now you know the whole journey of food.
Wow! It is a long journey. It starts from mouth, goes to esophagus, which is food pipe. From there, it goes to stomach. Then it enters small intestine, and from small intestine, it enters large intestine. And from there, it comes out of body through anus.
Like we saw in that video, the food travels through the body all the way out of the rectum, goes from the mouth to the throat, to the stomach, to the small intestine, then to the large intestine, and out of your bottom in the form of poop. Next we have, what do I get from my digestion? Protein, which is your meat, helps the body build cells, breaks down food into energy, fight against sickness, and carry oxygen. Carbohydrates, which is bread, helps the body use fat and protein for building and repairing skin. This is the most important source of energy for the body. Calcium, which is your milk, is needed for building healthy bones and teeth. There's fiber, which is your nuts and your grains, helps you poop on schedule. Vitamins, which is your fruits and vegetables, helps protect against sickness and helps you grow. All the food you eat helps your body in a certain way and is all digested through your body in the same way.